saying nothing else but my thoughts. And what I'm saying, it's beautiful, man. Let's meditate. You feel that? Stretch. Every path is not lit for you. It's always uncertainty, left and right. So at that point, you just need to slow down. Keep your eyes open. One step at a time. Everybody's path ain't the same. Some people need to go on a path and some people need to stay because they already went on their path. And some people can't stop going on the path because they don't understand the sense of work, digest, work, digest. You know? If you don't stop and let your brain understand exactly what's happening, does it resonate? When you do something for yourself and you don't stop and acknowledge it, does it resonate? You do 10 things a day to build your confidence, not even knowing it. And for some reason, the confidence is still low. Who else is on this path? Who else is on the same path as you? Trust me, a lot. So when you think you're going on a solo path like this, trust me, if you look close enough, there's footprints on the ground. There's trees moved out the way. You know? It's all kind of shit on the ground where you see people that made a way for themselves. You see how clear this path is? Just because it's a path don't mean it's a hard journey. You got to keep going. You got to keep moving. And have confidence in yourself that you're going to make the right decisions. Love yourself, respect yourself, do for yourself and for others.